The Yamaha XT600 is one of the most influential dual-sport motorcycles ever created. Born from Yamaha's long history of Enduro success, the XT600 redefined what a reliable go-anywhere machine could be. Decades after its first release, it still stands as a symbol of adventure, simplicity, and unmatched mechanical durability. This script explores the history, engineering, performance, and legacy of a motorcycle that became a legend on every continent. Origins of the XT series. The XT lineage began in the late 1970s, built to bridge the gap between off-road capability and on-road practicality. When the XT600 arrived in the mid-1980s, it brought a larger engine, stronger frame, and improved suspension. Its combination of power, reliability, and versatility made it an instant success among travelers, commuters, and off-road enthusiasts. The XT600 quickly became known as the motorcycle that could cross countries, deserts, and mountains without hesitation. Engine and power delivery. At the core of the XT600 is a 595cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine with a reputation for exceptional torque and long-term reliability. The motor delivers a strong low-end punch, ideal for climbing steep trails or navigating rough landscapes. With simple carburation, minimal electronics, and straightforward mechanics, the XT600 became a favorite among riders who valued easy maintenance and roadside repairability. Its balanced power output provides smooth highway cruising and confident off-road traction. Off-road dominance and chassis strength. The XT600 was engineered for rugged terrain. Its long travel suspension absorbs rocks, washouts, and uneven surfaces with ease, while the lightweight frame enhances maneuverability in tight trails. The high ground clearance allows riders to tackle obstacles without fear of bottoming out. This combination of agility and stability made the XT600 a dependable partner for explorers traveling through forests, deserts, and remote trails far beyond civilization. On-road comfort and practicality. Although deeply rooted in off-road DNA, the XT600 also shines on paved roads. Its upright ergonomics, wide handlebars, and neutral riding position create a comfortable posture for long distances. The engine's smooth mid-range makes city riding relaxed and highway speed steady. Whether used for daily commuting or weekend touring, the XT600 provides a versatile balance between dirt performance and road comfort. Reliability. That built a global reputation. One of the XT600's strongest qualities is its legendary reliability. The bike was built with thick metal components, a robust engine design, and minimal electronic systems. Riders around the world often praise the XT600 as a machine that refuses to die, even after years of abuse or minimal maintenance. This toughness helped the XT600 become a favorite among overland travelers, military fleets, and adventure riders exploring remote regions where breakdowns are not an option. Design, philosophy, and simplicity. The XT600 features a clean, functional design that focuses purely on performance. The slim fuel tank, narrow seat, and minimalist bodywork keep the bike light and agile. The instrument panel is simple, consisting of only the essentials needed for adventure riding. This stripped-down design approach gives the XT600 a timeless look that remains popular among classic dual-sport enthusiasts today. Modifications and aftermarket culture. Over the years, the XT600 developed a passionate global fan base, leading to a wide range of custom builds and aftermarket parts. Riders frequently upgrade suspension components, add touring luggage, convert the bike into supermoto setups, or rebuild it into retro rally machines inspired by early Dakar races. The XT600's simple mechanical layout makes customization easy, allowing owners to tailor the bike to their style, whether for city riding or cross-country exploration. Fuel economy and long-distance ability. The wow. XT600 delivers impressive fuel efficiency thanks to its single-cylinder engine and low-weight construction. Many riders report excellent mileage even on rough terrain. Combined with its rugged build and comfortable ergonomics, the bike is well suited for long-distance travel. Whether crossing borders or exploring remote mountains, the XT600 provides the confidence and endurance needed for extended journeys. Legacy and cultural impact. Yamaha XT600 left an impact that continues to influence modern dual sport and adventure motorcycles. It proved that a bike does not need complex electronics or massive horsepower to conquer the world. Instead, reliability, mechanical honesty, and balanced performance create a machine that stands the test of time. Today, the XT600 remains a sought-after model among collectors and riders who appreciate its old-school charm and bulletproof engineering. Why the XT600 still matters in an era dominated by high-tech adventure bikes, the XT600 remains a reminder of a simpler time, when motorcycles were built to handle anything, anywhere with minimal fuss. Its rugged character, strong engine, and practical design continue to attract riders who value authenticity and durability. The XT600 is more than a motorcycle. It is a spirit of freedom, exploration, and independence that continues to inspire new generations. Conclusion: a timeless adventure machine. The Yamaha XT600 stands as one of the greatest dual-sport motorcycles ever made. Its unmatched combination of power, agility, reliability, and simplicity ensures that it will always have a place in the world of adventure riding. For many, the XT600 represents not just a machine, but a doorway to unforgettable journeys and limitless roads ahead.